What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Backyard Hiker. It's been a while. I've had some issues going on, but today I'm actually going out. Haven't been out in a while to test out a new toy. It's a tri-fold shovel with a pick on it, and I'm going to try and do lunch right here in my hand. Yeah, I know you can't really see it. It's a piece of galvanized fencing. See you when I get to my location. The shovel that I'm using, found it on Amazon. It's called Gold Armour. About $16. It's got a D handle, about 6 to 7 inches, so it's got a good grip on it. Very sturdy, in my opinion, as of now. I haven't actually tested it. This is my first time. It's got a lug nut here to loosen it up. You can bring it down, tighten it up, becomes a hoe, and you've got the pickaxe. So in my opinion, as of now, it seems pretty sturdy, and it does come with a sheath. I believe there's an option that you can get it without the sheath for a couple bucks less. I'd opted for the sheath just so it can go in my bag and wouldn't have to worry about tearing everything up. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to actually see how this works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to dig a Dakota pit, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, my first Dakota pit. Here we have the main pot for the flame. Up here it's probably too shallow from what I've seen. And there's a hole. It's right about here and comes out right about here. What it does is allows for airflow and keeps the fire fairly, as they say, low key. We'll soon find out. Alright, it took me a little while because everything's wet, as you can tell. We've had some rain. Keep trying to throw on. My lunch today is going to be Chef Boyardee spaghettis and meatballs. I'm going to let you go, folks. I'd like to thank you for watching. There's not going to be much more of what's going on, what you see here. Like I said, I didn't have everything I needed or wanted, so I had to make do and come up with something, and here we are. Dakota pit, using the Gold Armour tri-fold shovel with D handle and sheath. From what I've gathered, this is a nice tool to keep in your go bag or just to go out camping. Take it easy and peace out.